Well, my cousin came over and we gave this what we called a $35 body job. We just patched up a piece here, a piece over there, a piece near the wheel well, got some old flat paint at the bottom, and a little white paint hanging around. That's it, as long as it works. So today we're just going to do a little patch up here, down here, and then over here, just patch it up, and over there. Now here's what I like to use. I get some fiberglass rosin. This is the activator. This is the fiberglass. This is how it comes in a fiberglass thing like that. Got some of these things and some bondo glass and the activator and some rubber gloves. That's about all I'll be using. So then I get my little grinder thing. Make our little patch here. Yeah, you hold that. So that's gonna go here. Okay, that'll go there. You hold that right there. Alright, first I just get some of this stuff, like this. There you go. Put some activator on it. And then I just stir it up. See that? Just stir it up like that. So it all sticks together. Like that.
Did it one day for about 3 minutes.
It's all up, and then I get this piece right here. Just drop it in there. That's it. So I take that piece and I just put it on. That's it. Just get it on there. Good. It's only about an hour later. Just gonna get some regular sandpaper, don't matter what. Scratch it up a bit. Get all the big ends down. Scratch it so the bondo sticks. Open this up. Here, get some of this stuff, not too much, just enough for what I'm going to use. Add some hardener to it, and mix it up. Take what I mixed up, fill in the big holes. That's how we want to do. Fill in the holes. You gotta do it again. It's not gonna make no big deal out of it. Just get it close to where you want it, where you don't have to sand it much. Get some sandpaper. Get all the big stuff off. Not too bad. Same thing over here. Get the big stuff off. So we all wiped it down. Get a small one. Just go over it again. One more time. that. That should almost do it. Not gonna go crazy with it. Just going over it again. First with a big sandpaper. Get into the little ridges in there. And get a piece of sandpaper. Put it on a block of wood. Cheap Rust-Oleum paint. Better than it was, right?
Are you kidding me? Look at that. Like,
Yep.
there was nothing even wrong with it.
Yep.
That was really amazing.
Cheap job, but it's fixed. Now we're really cheap, so I got some old flat black paint. Just started painting the whole thing. And a paintbrush from the dollar store. Flat black paint, who cares? Now with that job, we don't want to waste any time. I just used the fiberglass and the glass bondo, as they call it. I put a lot of activator in it, and as you can see, a lot of the hardener. So it hardens fast. And just got 180 sandpaper, roughed it up, and then maybe 400 and just roughed it up again and just painted it. And you don't want to spend a lot of time at it. 35 bucks, I could do 2 more cars like that. And that old black paint, you could disguise everything with it. So it was a cheap job, good enough for it to get inspected. That's it.